In today's tutorial, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can create a table sheet in Google Docs. The first thing you need to do is to access Google Docs, and in order to do that, we are going to open a new tab. Then we navigate our mouse to Google Apps and select Google Drive. You can access Google Docs from your drive, or you can scroll down and select Google Docs. Inside your Google Drive, you click on New and then you open Google Docs. Inside Google Docs, you can double click on this to rename your document, so we can say tables. So you're going to select insect over here, and with the table option, you navigate your mouse to table and then you select the rows and columns that you want. So these ones are the columns and these ones are the rows. Okay, so we are going to go with 6 columns and 6 rows or 7 rows. Then you click on it. When you click on that, the table will be inserted for you. So you can have a heading, so you can give your table a name. So we can say list of girls. So we double click on this to change it to a heading. You can make it a heading 1 or 2. So let's go with heading 2. And we have our title like this. You can double click on it again and then change the alignment. So we're going to make it center align. We have it at the middle like this. So over here, you can start customizing your table, or you can start typing inside your table. After inputting the details inside this particular table, you can select the entire table and move it to any location of your choice. What you have to do is look for this rectangle, click on it, hold, and then move it to the location or the preferred location, and you drop your mouse. Okay, you need additional rows and column. This option will be available for you. So you click on it, it will add a row and a column beneath. So you click, and it will add that for you. So the more you click, the more rows, the more columns you would have. One thing you can also do is that you can select this. So when you hover your mouse anywhere beside the table, you're going to have these options pop up, and you can select this tiny rectangle. So you can select it and drag it down to the preferred location where you want your title headings to be, and you drop your mouse. Okay, when you drop your mouse, it's going to be at the preferred location. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I would respond to them. You can also further customize your table by just clicking inside the table, and then you click on this drop down. So this drop down gives you the opportunity to add borders to your table. You can add amazing borders to your table. You can also double click to change the text color. You can also have a background color, so that is the fill color for your header or your table. So when you click on this, when we click inside this, we have this background color inside our table. So you can select wherever you want to add a background color. You just have to put your cursor there, then we select the background color for our table as nicely as this. You can also change the color, the text color. So you're going to select it and then select white, and we have it nicely displayed here for us. So if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment and I would respond to them. Make sure to like, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any other tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.